Iron Man fight with Superman. In the heart of a bustling city, Superman lands firmly on the ground, his cape flowing. Iron Man descends from the sky, his armor gleaming. Superman, stern, Tony, your drones endangered lives. This has to stop. Iron Man, defensive, my tech doesn't malfunction. You're overreacting, Kryptonian. The tension escalates, and Superman speeds forward. Iron Man fires a repulsor beam, barely missing. Civilians scatter as the clash begins. Superman's heat vision melts one of Iron Man's weapons, but Tony retaliates with an EMP blast, briefly disorienting Superman. As the fight rages, they realize the destruction they're causing. Superman grabs Iron Man mid-flight and slams him to the ground. Superman, firmly, enough. Innocent lives are at stake. Before Tony can respond, an alien ship appears in the sky. Both heroes pause, their rivalry momentarily forgotten. Iron Man, smirking, truce. Superman, for now. They take off together to face the greater threat, united as heroes. Even rivals can join forces when the world needs saving.